Foreign buyers are purchasing less American real estate. So while marijuana might be booming, real estate maybe not. Homes purchased by people from outside the country from April 2018 through March 2019 tumbled 36% to below $78 billion. That's according to a new report from the National Association of Realtors. Guys, the report notes slowing global economic growth and tighter capital controls in China are partly to blame.
Sorry, but you're saying it was a stat yesterday. I'm going to forget this on Twitter that I think last week was the second week in a row that not a single condo in Manhattan closed went into contract for more than 10 million or more. That's the first time that's happened 2 weeks in a row in years.
Yeah. I was going to say Manhattan's probably not the best barometer for looking at that because there's still plenty of foreign capital coming in. But when you talk about the rest of the country and real estate, then yes, when you're looking at what's happening in the European zone, there's a slowdown there. They're dealing with their own economic issues. You look at China, that economy is still growing, but it's growing at a slower pace during the second quarter than it was during the first quarter.
Sure.
So it definitely makes sense that they're going to invest in their own towns, in their own countries, if, they're facing financial challenges.
Yeah, I mean, the idea that, I think historically Manhattan real estate has been a place where you'd hide a lot of your money for a lot of people, not just foreign people. But so I think this is where you start to see it in these almost absurdist, rings of wealth indicators. And we saw it in the run up.
Yeah.
We had these absurd deals, and now you're seeing it come down.
But as someone who lives in the city, I think it's great. I'm bring home prices down, lower.
I think London had this 5 years ago, where all of a sudden, with Brexit and all this stuff coming in, all of a sudden, London's prices started to fall, and all of a sudden it was we're not in sort of this absurd territory anymore. Now it's just unaffordable.
Yeah. Well, now less money coming in. Now less money coming in from international lookers at the very least.